nature certainly does have a free choice. And by the way, I can conclude by saying that, in fact, this question of the character of nature was basically posed to me by a question. I wrote an article called The Copenhagen Interpretation of Quantum Theory back in 1972, and Heisenberg, I asked Heisenberg to comment upon it, and he said, this raises the question of what happened, what is the world like before there were any human observers or any observers? And his answer said that he pointed to this Platonic idea of an idea-like an idea-like aspect of nature that is existing within nature itself. And I think what that ultimately boils down to is the fact that I think this requires this nature that we're talking about here probably to itself have some sort of idea-like character. In other words, this idea is not just a mechanical thing, but it itself has this idea-like quality. So all three of these three aspects of reality, the observer and his choices, the quantum mechanical reality, and nature, all three have an idea-like, a basically idea-like character. And so consciousness, right at the very beginning of quantum mechanics, the quantum mechanics that I'm talking about here can be extended to relativistic quantum field theory, but already at the very beginning, when it was a non-relativistic theory, you already had the essential ingredients that we're talking about here, the three parts of reality, all of which are basically idea-like in nature.